Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can contact PayPal by calling them. Okay, I already wrote the article where I show all the instructions step by step. It's very simple, very easy. Okay, so here's the article. Basically the steps to calling PayPal so that you can talk to a PayPal representative are: go to paypal.com, you log in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you click where it says contact us. On the next page you're going to see something like this. So exactly what you can see here. You call the number. For you, it might be a different number for you. This one here, 003531 blah blah blah. You call the number and that's it. It's done. You're connected to PayPal. Okay. A few other things. They don't work on weekends, and on weekdays when they do work, they don't work 24 hours a day. So make sure you check your time zone and everything, and make sure you call them, when they're working. But actually, if you pick up your phone and call them right now, if they're not working, you're gonna get an automated message that's gonna tell you, we're closed at this time. Please call later or something like that. If they are working, the system is gonna try to connect you to a PayPal representative so that you can talk to them. Okay. And you also have the one-time passcode. Once you're connected to a PayPal representative, one of the first things that he or she is going to ask you for is this one-time passcode. And this is so that they can immediately find your account in their system, exactly which one is yours, and so that they can make sure that it's actually yours, so you don't try to do anything sketchy. Okay, so that's pretty much it. From my experience, calling them will produce better results than just sending them a message. Yeah, I also wrote an article about how to contact people by sending them a message. If you come to this article, you can click on the link here and go and read that article. A message takes, they take about 24 to 48 hours to reply to you, maybe longer. If you call them, you can talk to them immediately and probably solve your problem better, faster, get an answer to your question faster, etc. Okay, I'm just gonna go to PayPal and show you exactly the steps that you need to take. Okay, so you come to paypal.com, go log in, you enter your password, click login. Here we are in the account. So you scroll all the way down, then you click here where it says contact us. Okay, and here you are. This is the page I showed you earlier in the screenshot. So call us, you have your number, you need to call them. This is the number that you're gonna call. And your one-time passcode, which is valid for just 60 minutes. So, make sure you don't load this page and then write down this number and call them 3 hours later and try to give them this number. That it's not gonna fly. It's gonna be wrong. And that's it, guys. You call them, you give them the number, you talk to them, they help you, they answer your questions, and you're done. So, in the link in the description of this video, there's a link. If you click it, you'll come to onmoneyline.com, this article here. I've written many other tutorials about PayPal recently, so you'll be able to check them out if you want to, and other things. There's a lot of content on the website, a lot of good value and useful information. If you leave a comment below this article, I'm going to answer as soon as possible. You can also comment below the video if you want, whether you're watching on YouTube or on Dailymotion. Just leave a comment below the video and I'll get back to you, or click the link in the description of the video, come to this blog post, and then comment below the article and I'll get back to you as well. Okay guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.